Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. So we are doing block 11, lesson 1, water resources. Okay, this is 11.1 lesson, water resources. On your screen you can see a waterfall, such a beautiful scene here, right? So in this lesson we are going to learn whether the water bodies that we see around us are natural or human made, right? So, we know that there are different sources of water around us. Today, we will sort the sources of water as natural and human made. Okay? After this lesson, we'll understand which water bodies are natural and which are human made. Right? So the keyword natural means things that are not made by humans. Okay, human made, things that are made by humans. Reservoir, a large human made lake used to collect and store water. Dam, a wall made over a water body to stop its flow. Surface, top layer of something. Right? Now, let us watch this picture. Look at this water body. Okay, what kind of water body is this? Is this natural water body or human made? This is a natural water body, and this is a sea. It is called a sea, right? Now, let us look at this picture. Okay, this is called as well. Okay, it is a well. What type of water body? It is a human made well. How do they make this well? Okay, right? So if we dig a very deep hole in the open ground, we will find water deep down the hole. If we build a wall around it and use a bucket to pull water, this will be called as a well. So have a look at this picture, well, right? Now let us look at these pictures. Okay, so this is a river, this is the picture of a river, right? This is a picture of a lake, this is a picture of a dam. Okay, dam. Now let us understand what is a river. River, it is usually long. Water runs through it from one end to another. Okay, this is the river and it is usually long and water runs through it from one end to another end. What is a lake? Lake, it looks like a very big pool of water surrounded by land on all sides. Okay, lake has water on all its sides, whereas river, we have land on two sides. Now we come to the dam. What is a dam? It is a big wall built across the river to store its water. Right? Let's move on. So now look at this picture and tell me whether the water that you see is natural or human made. The water source in this picture, is it natural or human made? First of all, if you look at the sky here in this picture, you can see the clouds giving out the rain. So this is natural. The rain is natural source of water and the rain water is collected here. Okay, from the terrace they arranged a pipe and to the tank. So, and the same water is being used for the gardening, right? So this one, the sump here or the water tank here and the pipes are arranged by humans. So here we have that. Now let us move on. Let us watch this video. So there are different sources of water around us. Some sources are natural, like sea, river,
some lakes,
lake,
and some ponds.
Some
sources of water
are human made, like well, tube well, hand pump, reservoir of dam, canal.
Rain is the main source of water.
Rain is the
It
main
keeps
source of
filling
water.
natural and
It
human-made
keeps
sources
filling
of
water from natural and human-made water bodies. Right? Rain is the main source of water. It fills up natural water bodies as well as human-made water bodies. Right?
Okay.
Now, what are different natural and human-made sources of water?
Let's
Seas and rivers are natural sources of water. Okay, seas and rivers are natural sources of water. Wells, tube wells, hand pumps and reservoirs are some human-made sources of water. Lakes and ponds can be both natural or human-made. Okay, we have some natural lakes and natural ponds, and we also have some lakes and ponds that are made by humans. Right? Let's move on. How are natural sources of water different from human-made sources of water?
let's
Natural sources of water are the ones that are present naturally in our surroundings. Okay, natural sources of water are seen around us. They are made, they are free in nature. They are not human made. Human made sources of water are those sources that are made by us, such as wells. Okay, people dig the wells, they make a big hole in the ground, then they build a wall around the hole, then they draw water using a bucket and a rope. That is a well. Tube wells, hand pumps are made to get underground water. So wells, tube wells and hand pumps are made to get underground water. Now let us look at this picture. Okay, sources of water, how many are there? Natural sources in the first box and human made sources in the second box. Natural sources present naturally in the surroundings. Examples: seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Human made sources made by humans. Examples: wells, tube wells, hand pumps, tanks and rainwater storing tanks. Right? So let's move on.
pot
Why don't we run off water in the water bodies? How is water filled in lakes or underground? See, if we bring a water bottle to our school or any place, after drinking twice or thrice, the water in the bottle gets finished, right? Then again, the water bottle will be empty. Then what about the water bodies? Okay, why don't we run off water in the water bodies like rivers? Well, why don't they dry up? Okay.
let's
Refills all the water bodies. Okay, rain fills all the water bodies. Though we keep using water from all the resources, rain or snow keeps filling them. Okay, whenever some water is getting dried up from the water bodies, again rain falls and the water gets collected in these water bodies. Okay, rainwater also seeps through the soil to fill the underground water sources. What is the meaning of this sentence? When it rains, some water is absorbed by the ground. It seeps down, it gets filtered down and collected in the groundwater. Right? Now, all of you open your workbook. Worksheet 11.1, everyone open. Put today's date. 11.1 Water sources. Question 1. Circle the correct name of the source of water shown in each picture. A. It is a hand pump. Okay. You have to move with your hand. Okay. The edge of the hand pump and you'll get water. The second picture here. Is it a sea or a pond? It is a sea because we know that pond is covered with land on all the sides. Sea is a very big water body. So, because in the picture they are showing us a very big water body, this is a sea. This is the picture of a sea. Now, in the third picture, is it a sea or a river? We learnt just before that river is a long flowing water body which has land on two sides. So, this picture is a river. So, once again you check your answer. A. Hand pump. B. Sea. C picture is river. Question 2. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Sam is fetching water from a dash. So here is Sam looking at you and he also is drawing water from the well. Observe carefully. Now you fill in the blanks, Peter. Sam is fetching water from a dash. So it is well. Sam is fetching water from a well. So all of you write W-E-L-L, well. Second sentence, it is a dash, natural or human made? Okay, it is human made, right? Then this is a source of what water? Surface water or underground water? It is underground water. Okay, it is different from a river, as a river is dash. River is a natural or human made? It is natural. Okay, so write natural. So first blank well, second blank human made, third blank underground, fourth blank is human made. No. First one, just check it out. First blank well, second blank human made, third blank underground, fourth blank river is a natural source of water. Natural is the answer. Fifth one, if there is no rain for many years, the well will dry up. Dry up. This will happen because the water in the ground is filled by the rain, right? Rain there. If there is no rain, it will not be refilled. Okay. These are the answers for the workbook. Write neatly. Now we will move on to the practice questions.
Okay.
All of you open your
Okay.
content book. All of you open your content book. Yes. Practice questions. Fill the missing letters to complete the name of the water source. A. Missing letters are there. You have to fill up the right alphabet in between and make it a water body. First one is river. So write I and E in the blanks. R-I-V-E-R, river. B1, P-D. So P-O-N-D, pond. C1 is C, S-E-A-C. D1 is a well, W-E-L-L, well. Second question, draw a natural source of water. Write its name. So in your classwork notebook, okay, EVS notebook, you draw one pond or a river or a sea and write its name, color it, write its heading. Third one, many rivers flow during the rainy season. Why? Most of the rivers, okay, they get their water, okay, especially in the southern region, they get water from the rain. So in rainy season, when it rains heavily, water gets filled in the rivers. So many rivers flow during the rainy season, right? So that's all for now, students. Thank you. Have a good day. Finish your work. Read the lesson twice from the content book.